Hold up. Yo, I heard, right, because, I was in jail for a minute, you know what I'm saying? Then I went right to Arizona. So I heard that Money was on the radio or wherever he was at, BET, something, talking like, and he failed the lie detector test.
Oh, man.
About did he create Spellbound? Let me hit you with a little, this is...
You a killer, a hustler, dealer, a customer, gangster, a buster, youngster, a old nigga, a weed head, a coke sniffer. You rich or a broke nigga, know you all relate to this shit that I wrote, niggas. Lots of my mans trapped up in a max penitentiary, sending me letters, I answer back that eventually we be all Bentley'd out, throwing campaigns, fuck it, I'm running for White House. My niggas control Senate, pipe seats, Jeeps tinted, Mad Lewinsky chick, some kinky shit. Did dirt, now I knew it would come back one day.
You know what it is. You're all in the building. The dogs in the building.
This is how we need New York City. If you listening right now, nigga, I duck you out straight up. I duck you out, son. Straight out, one-on-one, no ring, in the garage. I will duck you out.
Diggy dog, dang the dang, diggy dog, dang the dang, diggy dog, dang the dang, diggy dog, dang the dang.
I don't walk, I stalk, living foul like pork. Shutting down underground streets of New York. Hawk is what they call me, cause they all be sucking on my mic. Off G, I know the half, so I laugh at them. A bloodbath and a rap hit them. Full clip, but only half did them. That's all it took. Another crook, taken out over a dirty look. A bag, the try shot dead. I ain't taking the fine thing from me, but hot lead. You know my style, cause I'm always scheming. In jail, in the six screaming. Police, you got no peace. It was just you, big man, and a lot more grease. All I get is that. Want none of this. Backstreets are like track meets, cause I be.
Never games being played, how's it doing that? Song to the star that I got to know that. You should rip me up, and I'm gonna get me in the hood, cause honey's gonna give me. I'm politicking with this chicken, wondering if I'm a creeper. Little hood rap from 25th named Jamaica, coming through like I knew, getting my bark on. Knew she was a thug, cause when I met her she had a scarf on. 54'11", size 7 and girl, baby face, but looked like she was 11 with Kirk's girlfriend. Remember me from way back? I'm the same cat, the wave cat that my TNT used to be there. Still here, so it's all good. Oh, you know my Rich and them doing their thing on 35th Ave. It's a small hood and it's all wood, so let me get that number. I get up, alright? Put you on the jack later on, see what's up. Talking to shorty made me wanna do something nice. Looking at that made me wanna do something tonight. And I know right when I see right. Shorty looking like she tight, she bite. Better give it the green light. But then my games are being played, how's it doing that? It's on till it's gone, then I got to know that. You with me, you up, and I'm trying to get it. Cause honey's gonna give me.
Ain't no sunshine when it's on, only darkness every day. Ain't no sunshine when it's on, cause when it's on, you niggas know the beat gone every time, cause we don't play.
Who turn out the lights is what niggas be saying. Now you don't wanna fight, but y'all niggas be playing. Thinking it's alright, you playing with that role. And you gon' know tonight when you land in that hole. Dirt getting tossed in your grave. Now it's all over. Preacher said you was brave. Now it's all over. You just one of the many, plenty I done gave it to. Ain't no saving you. No matter how many tears your moms cry, ain't gon' bring your ass back. Plus in hell you gon' cry. Why? But now the only two relative questions is to be burying my bird. Any suggestions? Either way, you up out of here for good. Now when niggas mention your name, they knocking on wood. Did I get my point across? Enough body on the side joint I toss.
Ain't no sunshine when it's gone, only darkness every day.
The choice is yours. Choice is yours.
They don't know. This goes out to my nigga Q. Rest in peace, baby. But you still here with me. What they don't know is the bullshit, the drama, the guns, the armor,
the city, the farmer, the babies, the mama, the projects, the drugs, the children, the thugs, the tears, the hugs, the love, the slugs, the funerals, the wakes, the churches, the coffins, the heartbroken mothers. It happens too often. The problems, the things we use to solve them. Yonkers, the Bronx, Brooklyn, Harlem, the hurt, the pain, the dirt, the rain, the jerk, the fame, the work, the game, the friends, the foes, the bins, the hoes, the studios, the shows, comes and it goes. The jealousy, the envy, the phony, the friendly, the one that gave them the slugs, the one that put them in me. The snakes, the grass, too long to see the lawnmower sitting right next.
Just about to jump off, looking for the bus, bringing my man from up north. Like 3 years when he got knocked, since he got caught, pumped up like 5 new blocks. Hold it down for, kept a nigga straight rip, money on the books. It ain't bitches, it's crooks who look out for other crooks. Took him shopping, money in his pocket is straight. Dropped him off at the wife crib after we ate. Out of state, was the next move for me. Had to make that nigga chill for relief.
X gon' give it to ya. Fuck, wait for you to get it on your own. X gon' deliver to ya. Knock, knock, open up the door, it's real. If the non-stop pop out, stainless steel. Go hard, getting busy with it. But I got such a good heart that I make a motherfucker wonder if he did it. Damn right, and I do it again. Cause I am life, so I got to win. Break bread with the enemy. No matter how many cats I break bread with, I'll break who you sending me. You motherfuckers never wanted nothing but your life saved. Bitch, and that's on a life day. I'm getting down, down like a nigga said freeze. But won't be the one ending up on his knees, bitch, please. Cause the only thing you can't steal was came out to play. Stay out my way, motherfucker. We gonna rock, do we gonna roll? Do we let it pop? Don't let it go. X gon' give it to ya. Ain't no other cats got love for me. Ain't no cats gon' bust up for me. Ain't no cats gon' shed love for me. But my dog be on me, you love me. Ain't no other cats got love for me. Ain't no cats gon' bust up for me. Ain't no cats gon' shed love for me. But my dog be on me, you love me. If I'm gonna rob, I'ma rob all night. If I'm looking for something, it's probably a fight. If I'm going fuck bitches, then they better be tight. If that's dead, then the head better be right. If I got to play, I'ma play till I win. Since I got to be here, can't wait to begin. Wanna fuck shorty, can't stand shorty friend. Cause honey friend fuck many, many men. Stay with the rats, cause the rats is real. Wanna fuck them, we fuck, already know the deal. Shit, fuck what you look like, just show the real. And I keep a spot that we can go to chill. I love my get down for the hoes. Only reason I come around is for the hoes. Pipe work, I lay it down for the hoes. Hit them off with that dark brown, you know. Ain't no other cats got love for me.
Def Jam. Rough Riders. My nigga TP, creep with me.
Why is it every move I make turns out to be a bad one? Where's my guardian angel? Need one, wish I had one.
I'm right here, shorty, and I'ma hold you down. Tryna fuck all these bitches, I'ma show you how.
But who?
Name D like you, but my friends call me Damien. And I'ma put you into something about the Damien.
You don't give a what? We don't give a what? Get it on the floor, get it on the floor. Get it on the floor, get it on the floor. You don't wanna party, then your ass gotta go. You don't wanna party, then your ass gotta go. You can ride to this motherfucker, bounce to this motherfucker, freak to this motherfucker. Let's get it on. Get it on the floor, get it on the floor. Get it on the floor, get it on the floor. Once again, it's the darker nigga, and it's Parker nigga. Pick apart a nigga, but the dog is bigger. Under stress, doing less. You wanna get blessed to the chest. The slugs from the Swift West. Best ever bumper put a hurt on a nigga. Top 6 motherfucker beat the dirt on a nigga. My hands stay dirty, cause I play dirty the mob way. You don't know, fuck it, find out the hard way. A nigga's job is never done. I handle my business how it comes, and it's never been a bitches, discreet bitches, street bitches, slash, Cocoa Puff, sweet bitches, think you wanna eat bitches, but not me. Y'all niggas eat off the plate all you want, not D. I fuck with these hoes from a distance, an instant. They start to catch feelings, I start to stealing they shit, then I'm out, just like the thief in the night. Sink my teeth in the bite, he thinking life, I'm thinking more like what's up tonight. Come on, ma, you know I got a wife, and even though that pussy tight, I'm not gonna jeopardize my life. So what is it you want from a nigga?
This is a DJ
Hello, Chicago. If there is anyone out there who still doubts that America is a place where all things are possible, who still wonders if the dream of our founders is alive in our time, who still questions the power of our democracy, tonight is your answer.
At that moment, and I remember he said to me, "Yo, Doug, I appreciate that, I mean, it's all love, I just do what I done, I mean, you really like the song?" I said, "Yeah." He said, "Good, give me a drink."
Hey, yo, I'm slipping, I'm falling, I can't get up. Hey, yo, I'm slipping, I'm falling, I can't get up. Hey, yo, I'm slipping, I'm falling, I got to get up. Back on my feet so I can tear shit up. Hey, yo, I'm slipping, I'm falling, I can't get up. Hey, yo, I'm slipping, I'm falling, I can't get up. Hey, yo, I'm slipping, I'm falling, I got to get up. Back on my feet so I can tear shit up.
I've been through mad different phases, like mazes, to find my way. And now I know that happy days are not far away. If I'm strong enough, I'll live long enough to see my
The choice is yours. Choice is yours.
This is a beat that I can freak. Just drop the rhythm. Let's just up with the hill. Know my skill. X from the field. Hit 'em up and slit 'em up. Wet 'em up and watch 'em come. Get 'em up. Shut 'em up. When you do dirt, get dirt. Trick, click, step back like that did work. This ain't no puppet game. You think I'm playing? Think you playing? Where the junkyard you came? Moms at home praying. Coming home, but you're not. You're sitting up in the trunk, starting to rap. And hell it's hot, though, cause I'm here now, baby. It's going down, baby. It's a 4 pound, baby. Let off up in it. Arrest me if you think he's bigger than my mother, trigger. Did I? Can I get mine? Is it born? DMX represent one time for the song. I've been eating long enough. I've been eating long enough. I've been eating long enough. I've been eating long enough now. Stop being greedy. Just keep it real, pot. Give to the need. Ribs is touching. Don't make me wait. Around and I'm gonna bite you. Snatch the plate. I can flip that flow. I can get that down. You know I'm with that, Joe. Ain't a thing about this. Can't do I haven't seen. But when it gets dark, it's like a having dreams. All nightmares. The light dance. Dessert. Got me like everybody wants to hurt. Paranoid. So I strike out at whatever. Won't you think to me, gon' get it, but never will I. Can I think death is wrong? So I'ma keep holding on to what's left is gold. You put that